All right, welcome back. So Caleb said just use a zip tie to fix the belt loop here. So I was like, you know what? That's a good idea. And why not? Zip ties, I have them in stock. They're readily available. So do I just drill a hole, or do I try and poke a hole in it with a razor blade? This thing is so old. This is older than my son. So razor blade slot, trusty zip tie. Probably put one in there too. So let's go through there and out there and give it some rigidity. So put 2 holes in it. One more hole in here. Let's see if we can't make it happen. So I want to just do it on the top. And I have other belts. This is my favorite belt. I have belts that aren't broken, and this is the one that fit. This one is the best. It's the perfect amount of worn in. It's like a wallet, you know? You hate to get a new wallet because your other one is so comfortable. Yes. You seeing this? Don't need no new belt. So now, we're good. We're gonna last hopefully another 10 years. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.